From our family to yours, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year.
From our family to yours, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yay! Can you sing Jingle Bells?
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell.
How about dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh? O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Hop, 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 bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleigh song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey!
Good job!
Merry Christmas!
From our family to yours, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year.
Okay, I would like to thank everyone for the life that I have shared, all the neatnesses that I have experienced. I hope that each one of you would appreciate what I appreciate in life. Life is tremendous, and each day the moments are better every day. Each day I think I experienced the best I could, and then it seems like it comes up again even better. And it's like that. My life is so extremely good, and it's extremely fulfilled, and it couldn't be no more fulfilled than what it is. And I thank God for that He has given me the opportunity and the privilege of sharing that experience, maybe a little bit with you, if each viewer can kind of think a little bit about God, at least each day, each moment, because He has the plan for us, and the plan is excellent. So just live with the plan and celebrate life. Amen.
Happy birthday to Grandpa Louie. Happy birthday to Grandpa Louie. Happy birthday, Mama.
Oh, sing it.
Happy birthday to Grandpa Louie. Happy birthday to you. Ella.
Say, I love you.
I love you.
Love you.
Look at that.
say a few significant words. First of all, let me say that this is not the county fair. We're having much more fun, and we'll continue to do so. Secondly, I don't think Noah and his wife and children prepared any more for the flood than Rory and Debbie have prepared for this wedding. Ever since they asked me to be a part of it almost a year ago, I have sensed the excitement and joy, and today we all share in that kind of thing. I sense in them something very unique. I sense in their relationship, their love for God, their faith, their love for each other, that they are so overflowing with this, that they had to do, they wanted to do all of this to say thank you to the Lord, to their families, and to each other, to their friends, for the gifts they have received. And even at that, I'm sure they feel it's not enough. But I hope, Roy and Deb, that today, for the rest of your lives together, you can feel coming back to you the reflections of what is experienced here today and what you've experienced. The networking that comes from the kind of love that produces this kind of a celebration will endure and can change the world. In other words, that we do not escape to a fantasy world here this afternoon. And that when the balloons are all gone and this place is covered with ice and snow, that there is a reality of love and life and faith that exists because God has loved us first. Of course, the rainbow symbol of the Old Testament is a very early sign of that.
When I looked out the window this morning, I thought we might have a real rainbow up in the sky along with the other ones that we have, and I thought, well, that would maybe be very appropriate because Debbie and Rory, you chose a very apt and appropriate symbol for the kind of love, both divine and human, that we're celebrating today.
I can see it in your eyes, all the love I'm trying to hide. I'll take you with me when I go. Where can we go, baby? I don't know.
Mr. and Mrs. Roy Butkiewicz.
That we'll discover on roads where love will lead. We'll come to know our own heart as we answer each one's need. For in the life we there's more to what we share. To lose ourselves in giving is to find God hidden there. Rainbow makes a promise that life is here to stay. Promise means there's more to life than what we know today. I can share tomorrow if there's one to pledge it to. I'd like to be a rainbow and promise my